It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback like this. This is a great example of the customized approach we take with everyone we serve. With our company, you get nothing less than the very best every single time we work with you. It's just one of the many things that sets us apart from our competitors. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.